Real police body cam ahead. Shared for educational and documentary use under fair use.
What happens next turns a routine stop into a deadly pursuit, all caught on Bodycam. Police respond to reports that a passenger punched someone on a city bus. The officer boards the bus to question the suspect, but the man suddenly bolts out the door. Bodycam shows the officer sprinting after the suspect, determined to catch him before he disappears into traffic. The officer grabs the suspect, but during the fight, the man's gun goes off accidentally. The officer stumbles backward, and that's when the suspect takes aim and fires again, intending.
Open the door. He just punched me.
That's mine right
You
here.
just-
That's his back.
What are you?
Get it.
Yo, stop, bro. I got it. Go over here. I got it. Northbound 160. 103 after you post 4.
103 after you post 1.
Northbound 161.
The suspect is quickly subdued by backup units, but the officer is critically injured. This tragic clip shows how quickly a routine stop can turn deadly. Do you think the officer should have waited for backup before chasing? Or was he right to act fast? Share your thoughts below and subscribe for more real body cam stories, dash cam chases, and true crime breakdowns.